it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is a little bit of a mixed one. It's going to be just me getting my house all nice and cozy and ready for autumn. Just some things I like to do this time of year when it is getting colder outside, just to make it feel like a really nice, comfy and cozy place. So I really hope that you enjoy it. So before I can get the house really feeling cozy, I just make sure that I give everywhere a good tidy. And one thing that I do whilst I am tidying now, which is just been such a game changer, is I use an app called Blinkist. This part of the video is sponsored by Blinkist, and I am so happy to be working with them, because honestly this is just such a cool little app that I think you are going to love. So what Blinkist actually does is it takes top non-fiction books, pulls out all the key information from them and puts them into 50-minute text and audio, which is called Blinks. And I just find this so good. If you're short on time, then you are going to be able to pick up all the key information from a book or a podcast that you've wanted to listen to. And yeah, in literally 15 minutes you can have all of the key information from them. I just find it so easy to use, especially whilst I'm on the go. So generally what I'll do before I start cleaning is I'll pick something to listen to, which is normally something that involves organising and cleaning. And yeah, for that 15 minutes I'm picking up loads of information, and I just love the fact that there are so many different categories and things that I can look into that maybe I wouldn't have done before. All of the self-help sort of things I think are great for giving you a little bit of a boost throughout the day. So yeah, I am just loving it. I'm going to leave all the information down below. You can also get a 7-day free trial through my link and 25% off premium memberships. So now I've got my headphones in, I'm just going to go through the house and give everywhere a good tidy up and just make it all feel much more welcoming.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
Some things that I love to use this time of year is the autumnal scented Zofloras. The cinnamon one, I am a massive cinnamon fan. If you don't know, I do go on about it quite a lot. But yeah, I just love to put a cap full of that into the sink with some warm water, and I'll use it in my mop bucket as well. Or the cranberry and orange one. Yeah, it just really makes the house smell great for this time of year.
Giving you my love.
So these are a couple of bits that I have been buying from the usual Home Bargains and B&M. Apart from the pumpkins, I've got loads of these. I got these off Amazon. They're just like loads of white pumpkins in all different sizes. Ooh, can't keep hold of it. This is really nice as well, this gingerbread cookie jar. They've also got like a red one. I can't remember what the smell was. Cranberry, I think it was. This is from B&M. This was £3. I've also got one of the Wickford & Co.'s mulled wine candles. Again, smells gorgeous. This one is from Home Bargains. And I just picked this up. Normally I would make my own, but I didn't have some of the ingredients, I do have a very, very good chocolate chip cookie recipe that I make normally, but I thought I would just make some of these because they're just so quick. I think you just add water. Yeah, so I'm going to make some cookies as well to make the house smell beautiful and all like freshly baked cookies. And then I also got this, which isn't very like autumnal, but I just think it looks really nice. It's a velvet vanilla natural sanctuary reed diffuser as well. So they're just a few bits that I've been buying.
So now I'm going to make the chocolate chip cookies. These do taste really nice, I will say that. They only make about 8, so they definitely did not last very long in this house.
Think like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eye so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want
So just whilst I am pottering around in the kitchen, I just wanted to show you what is in September's Degusta box. So this is a family sharing, like the theme of it for this month. And if you don't know what Degusta is, it is a monthly food subscription box. I will leave the details down below. I've got a little bit of a voucher code as well that'll get you some money off your first box. But yeah, it is a fab little subscription that you can do the way you get a certain amount of products every month. And yeah, a lot of them are like newer to the market or ones that you might not have tried before. So yeah, it's one of my favourites. This was gifted to me. It's a PR product, so I can show you what is inside it exactly. And yeah, very excited to go through this one with you. We've got these Eat Real hummus chips. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these. I love hummus. Tomato and basil flavoured chips. So these are vegan by the company Eat Real. They are the product of the month as well, and they normally retail for £1.80. They're available in most supermarket chains, and yeah, they're just a little bit of a healthier crisp, I suppose. So yeah, I'm looking forward to giving them a go. I've not had anything like that before. These are something that, you know, I buy all the time anyway. Brioche rolls, I buy all of this sort of thing for the kids. So yeah, they'll be very happy with these. They've also got some Minion pictures on, which the kids will love even more. And they retail for £1.50 normally, and you get 6 in there. I always see the advert for these and I've never tried them. I'm not a massive fan of nuts, but I've always wondered what these taste like, these toffee. So that is included in this month's box as well. You get a 12 pack of them, and they're normally £1.43 is the retail price for them, and they are in most supermarkets. This is interesting looking. I thought it was a tub of ice cream at first, and then I thought no, there's nothing cold in here, so I was a bit confused. But it is a noodle pot, so it's authentic Korean style noodles by the company Kelly Loves. This is going to be a good one to try, like a little snack pot. It's normally £2.90, and you can get it at Waitrose sushi kiosks normally, and Asda, but they don't sell them everywhere. But I'm looking forward to giving that a try. What else have we got? These will be a winner. These are a couple of, we've got Prince's white chocolate flavoured biscuits here, and we've also got the normal chocolate flavoured ones. Great for the kids. This is obviously where it all comes in with a family share box, because these are very child friendly, these sorts of biscuits, with the packaging as well. A bit like Biscuits BNs, which I buy the kids sometimes. Not tried white chocolate sort of biscuit like that though. They retail for £1, and yeah, they're available at Asda. Also got one of these in here. Now I have actually already tried these. I think normal Jaffa cakes win for me over a Jaffa donut, but they're they're worth a try, but they're definitely not like, they are different. And you can normally get them in a multi-pack in most supermarkets. But yeah, worth a try because it's a new product, but not as good as the original. They're still nice. There's always a drink or two in here, and we've got this Sumol. What even is this? I'm gonna read on the leaflet. It's a refreshing drink, lightly carbonated with real fruit juice and pulp. Okay, well it retails for 99p, available at Portuguese stores and an online website, so not available everywhere. Then what is the flavour that they've sent, because they do a few different flavours. I think I've got passion fruit one there, so we shall see what that's like. That should be nice and refreshing. Ooh, we've also got some Cars ciabatta little crackers here. Retail for £1.59. They are by Cars. They're available in most supermarkets. And yeah, another thing that I haven't tried. I do love things like this though, because I love eating like picky meals. So having something like this to put cheeses and meats and things on is definitely something that I'm gonna enjoy having. So yeah, little ciabatta crackers, very good. So a Nature's Heart protein bar, which is almond, peanut and double chocolate. Not sure this is really gonna be my thing. Can give it a whirl, we'll see what it's like. That is normally £1.59 for one of those. Got lots of protein and things in it, and it is in most supermarkets for one of them. Got a couple of seasonings here. We've got chicken taco, which I'm definitely going to be getting some use out of, and the fajita mix. I do love a fajita, so yeah, very excited to have these in the box. These are by Santa Maria. Normally £1.05 each, and they are available at Amazon and Ocado. So yeah, these are great things for a family meal in the week, and they're nice and mild. Well, this one's medium, that one's mild, but definitely something that we can have as a family, so they're very well received. And then lastly, I've got some orange juice here by a company called Compal. Never heard of those before. £1.99. This is from Portugal as well. It is made from the Algarve's oranges. So that's a bit special, isn't it? And it's, yeah, it's available at the Portuguese stores again. That I love. I love the fact that we can try these kinds of things. Also in the box is a voucher for a Richmond's Ready Meal. It's a £4 family meal voucher, which again is going to be great for us because the boys absolutely love Richmond sausages. I didn't know they did like these family meals, so we've got a few different ones there that we can have: toad in the hole, or like a hot pot, sausage tomato pasta. So yeah, that's a meal up to £4 worth, so that is great as well. A nice voucher in there too. So yeah, all the details down below for Degusta if you want to have a little look at that as a subscription box. I mean, I just love food, so getting a food subscription box every month is definitely something I get excited for. So yeah, all details down below.
You now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
So these are the pumpkins that I ordered from Amazon. This is like the variety of sizes that they came in. I will link them below if you are interested in getting any pumpkins. They're around, were they £20? I really can't remember, but yeah, I like them. I like that they're neutral colours, and they're just like foam polystyrene sort of ones. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate round the house with them. I'm gonna get the living room nice and tidy and smelling good, and light some candles. So yeah, let's make it all nice and cozy.
So I'm just going to start off by plumping all the cushions on the sofa. I always have a lot of throws and these fur rugs just all over my sofa, which really gives it a cozy feeling, which I think you need all the throws around this time of year.
I got like an afterthought.
I'm also just going to spray the carpets with some of this Fabulosa berry spray. This is another nice scent for autumn. And then in the hallway, I'm just going to put down my new rug and decorate it with some pumpkins. I've also got this basket, which, I mean, it doesn't serve any purpose particularly, other than it just makes it feel a little bit cozier in the hallway because it's just a basket with throws and cushions in. I just feel like when I come in from outside that it is just nice to have all these things just there when I open the door. It's just really welcoming and homely, coming in from the cold, and you've got all of the nice cozy things around you. I also like to make sure that I've got lots of comfort foods in, which includes restocking my Oreo jar. So I'm just going to do that now and make sure that I always have a good supply of biscuits in. I know I've just made some, but I do love to have this stocked up as well.
Took home, where it feels like home. You showed how you were mine. We left and took our time, where the walls don't speak, on 14 Washburn Street. 14 Washburn Street.
So guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and it was a little bit random, lots of little bits, but I just wanted to show you just how I spent my day getting it all nice and cozy and doing a little bit of baking as well. So I hope you enjoyed it. All the details will be down below if you are interested in checking out Blinkist and getting the discount for it. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day, and I would love to see you again for my next video.